Okay, so this is Pygame GUI, beta, alpha, omega 1, and it's a really simple system. Okay, so I got basic controls here. So let's start with the shutter controls. I think this is in microseconds. Not sure. I'll have to read the documentation. Let's get the ISO up to a bright number. Let's do ISO 800. Choose some of the exposure controls. These are all a part of Pygame. And we also have white balance, which does work. So let's see fluorescent. And let's take a photo. Alright. So that's Pygame GUI. I'm going to be working on this for a while. And here's the output image. Alright. Thank you.